Hello guys, how are you all? I hope all of you are doing extremely well. Okay, so today I'm back again with a new video on Sunday. Okay, so fine, guys, today we will be doing the recipes in French. Okay, so like in English also there are so many recipes. In French also there are, you know, so many recipes. Recipes, basically you might know what they are in English also. Basically, if you want to make you want to make a dish or something, you firstly need to look for that, what are the ingredients used in it, and what is the full procedure that we can make it. So all these things yeah, are called the recipe, right? So in French also there are so many recipes, but I have found three very easy recipes for you people so that you people can smoothly start learning the recipes in French. If you all are beginners, so the recipes which I have found for you will be really helpful. Okay, so I have found three recipes for you people: the recipe of salad, the recipe of omelette, and the recipe of pancake. Okay, according to me, these are the very easy recipes in French. And today we will be doing the recipe of salad. In my next videos, we'll be doing recipe of pancake and omelette also. Okay, so without any further ado, let us start with today's topic. Okay, so fine. Just have a look onto the screen and see this is written Ahusite la salad. That means what? Recipe of the salad. Okay. Uh, Now let's start with it. It is saying Hey Gideon, that means ingredients. The ingredients are, like cucumber, la cucumber, that means the cucumbers. La oignon, that is the onion. Le tomates, that is the tomato. A heat stone, that is the lemon, and douce, that is some salt, and du poivre, that is some pepper. Okay, so the ingredients are the cucumber, the onion, the tomatoes, the lemon, some salt, and some pepper. Okay, these are the ingredients. Then let's come on to the preparation, that is préparation. Préparation means preparation, that includes éplucher, couper, laver les légumes, et ajouter du sel. See, éplucher means to peel, couper means to cut, laver les légumes means wash the vegetables, and ajouter du sel means pour some salt. See, the full line means what is peel, cut, wash the vegetables, and pour some salt. Du poivre, some pepper, et le jus de citron, that is some pepper and some lemon juice. So this full line means that peel, cut, wash the vegetables, and add some salt, pepper, and lemon juice. Mélanger bien et service la. That means mix well and serve it. Mélanger bien et service la means mix well and serve it. So this was a very small recipe of salad. So I hope you find it useful, and if yes, please write down in the comment section below. In my next video we will be doing the recipe of pancake and omelette. So till then, just stay connected and keep learning. Bye bye.